everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. So today I will gonna show you this papaya face pack. So let's start it into the video. Now take gram flour 1 spoon and add into the papaya paste. Okay. Now take 1 spoon of milk and add into this mixture. And now take 1 spoon of curd. Add into this mixture. Now take the lemon juice. 1 spoon. It should be 1 spoon. So add into this mixture. Please subscribe my channel, guys. If you like this video, please give a like. And add 1 spoon of chandan powder, sandalwood powder. Then mix all ingredients well, like so. Now take this paste and apply on your face and neck, like upward direction, like so. This is for not only face pack, you can apply your whole body also. You will get smooth, clear and clean skin for glowing also. Please give any suggestions or support my channel. Let me comment it below. Please be commented how you feel about my videos. Please share my videos, guys, and also subscribe my channel. Please give a big thumbs up on my videos. Now applying completed face pack. Now wait for 5 minutes until it will dry after face wash. Now 10 minutes over. I'm going to wash my face. Bye. After seeing my face wash, this is my glowing skin. You reduce dark spots, darkness of my neck area. So see the result of this face pack, this facial. So if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys.